Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Netflix error code D7361-1253. The error reads, "Pardon the interruption. Sorry, we're having trouble with your request." Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to play Netflix videos. Many players reported that this happens especially while using Microsoft Edge, and in some cases, it appears when dragging the Netflix tab between two displays that have different video cards. According to our research, this error is most likely related to stored data on the device, browser issues, outdated software, or problems with digital rights management decoding. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to close Netflix and power cycle your device along with your internet. Once restarted, launch Netflix again and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check if your device has a pending software update. If so, install the update and check for the error again. If the error still persists, then try using Netflix over a different browser. For example, switch from Microsoft Edge to Chrome or Firefox and see if this helps with the error. If the error still continues and you are using Microsoft Edge, check which version you are running. If you are on an older version before 89.0715.0, update it to the latest version. If you are on version 89.0715.0 or later, then after dragging the Netflix tab to the second display, close and reopen the tab on that display and check if the error still comes. If the error still doesn't resolve, then try using the Netflix app for Windows instead of the browser and see if this helps. If the error still persists and you are already using the Netflix app, then check if the app needs an update. Once updated, check if this resolves the error. At last, if you still get the error, then restart your display driver by pressing Windows key plus Control plus Shift plus B. After restarting the driver, check if this helps with the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.